Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady, and today we have Clarke Solomon.
Hi, thank you.
You're welcome.
That drum roll.
You like that drum?
I do.
I've been doing it for a while. I'm trying to figure out different, beginnings and how to introduce people, but maybe I'll come up with something new. Maybe next time, right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Kelly is with Huntingdon Valley Bank, and she's going to talk to us today about Keystone Advantage Asisstance Loan. That's a lot to say. What is this?
It is. So
What is this?
we have nicknamed it a KAAL.
That's easier.
For
I like
short,
that.
right.
KAAL for short. All right.
Yes, so the Keystone Advantage Asisstance Loan is a loan that you can get if you are getting your first mortgage through the PHFA, which is the Pennsylvania Housing and Finance Agency.
Okay.
If you're doing your first mortgage product with them, which could be conventional, FHA, USDA, or VA,
Covers everything.
right, you can potentially get this assistance loan.
Okay. And is there a certain amount with this assistance loan?
There is. It's up to $6,000.
Okay.
And basically, to qualify for it,
Okay.
the borrower has to have a middle score of at least a 660. And
Okay.
if they do, they can get the assistance loan, which is usable for down payment and closing costs.
So down payment and closing costs, you can get up to $6,000.
Right.
Okay.
And that's calculated on 4% of the purchase price up to $6,000.
Okay. So 4% or $6,000 is what they're able to get with this type of loan.
Right. It's 4% of the purchase price up to
Up to.
a total amount of $6,000.
Right. Right.
Mhm.
All right. So qualifications, those are the things. Any other stipulations in regards to income regarding this loan?
Well, it has to go in conjunction with the first mortgage program. So some of those programs will have income limits and purchase price limits.
Okay.
But as long as the credit score is there, they can get the assistance loan. It is a second mortgage. There is a repayment on it. It's not a grant. It's a loan.
Okay.
So whatever the borrowed amount is calculated over 10 years. So you pay it monthly for 10 years.
Now, question, what if you were to sell the property? I guess it also depends on what type of PHFA product they're getting, right? There could be some stipulations on how much time, like the first front door grant, you had to keep the house for 5 years. Or
No, there's nothing. No,
Okay.
there's nothing like that.
Okay, so once you sell the house, it pretty much takes care of both loans and you're good to go as long as it covers it.
Yes.
Okay, all right,
Yeah.
great.
And it's a small loan, and you can prepay it if you like.
Okay, which is also good.
Mhm.
All right. And how does one apply for that type of, for this loan?
Well, they would give me a call, and I would pre-qualify them. One of the first things I do is I run their credit, and I'll know right away what their scores are like, and if it's something that that they can do. That helps them kind of figure out their budget,
Mm-hmm.
how much money they're going to need to lay out when, they're closing on their transaction.
Okay. And there's no time limit. Like you can get this loan at any time.
Right, it's always available.
So if somebody was pretty close with that 660, they might want to work on their credit a little bit in order to get to the 660.
Right.
If they want to take advantage of
Yes, and we do that all the time. There are people who I run their credit and they just miss it,
that. Mm-hmm.
and it's worth them doing a little repair work
Right.
just to boost up their score slightly.
All right. Awesome. Well, the Keystone, the KAAL.
The KAAL.
That's what we call it, the
the
KAAL. The KAAL is available for anybody, it sounds like. Well, with stipulations, and that's why you'll call Kelly to
Right.
find out if you qualify. So thank you so much for coming today.
You're
And
welcome.
how do people
And
find you?
it's 215-478-5323.
Or you can call me, or find me on Facebook, or LinkedIn, Twitter, somewhere. We're out there. Well, thanks again.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day, guys.